China has reported its first case of the H3N8 bird flu virus. The variant has been found in a 4-year-old boy in the Henan district of China. The boy was down with symptoms like cold and high fever. However, medical authorities have said that people need not fear of an immediate outbreak of this variant of the bird flu, since the effect is quite low and the spread is not as rapid as the other variants. The H3N8 bird flu variant is usually found among horses, seals and even dogs, and in some cases they are also found in chickens. However, the spread of this variant is quite slow as compared to other variants, so people need not really fear about its spread rapidly right now. However, they need to be cautious and take precautions against the variant. Stay updated with me. Thank you.